Well, it's been 14 years since Captain Saurabh Kalia's mutilated body was found after the Kargil war. Now, an International Human Rights Committee in the UK has decided to take up the case. As his family finally hopes for justice, there is still no move by India to confront Pakistan on this.
Captain Saurabh Kalia was tortured and killed by the Pakistani army during the Kargil war in 1999. India won the Kargil war, but 14 years on, this man's battle for justice for his son's brutal killing is still on. And now NK Kalia's fight may get a boost and force India to take up the issue at the international level. British human rights lawyer Jas Uppal will take up Captain Kalia's case with the Committee of Human Rights of British Parliament. Captain Saurabh Kalia, along with 5 Indian soldiers, were caught by Pakistan Rangers in May 1999. After brutally torturing him, Captain Kalia's mutilated body was handed over to India after 22 days.
I am ever optimist and for taking Captain Saurabh Kalia's case with the British MPs.
There has been sharp criticism of the gross violation of Geneva Convention. But Pakistan has been living in denial, refuting all charges, while the Indian government has been blamed for not raising the issue strongly.
It is something that we hope that we will get a correct response to what we have asked from Pakistan.
Captain Kalia's father, Dr. N.K. Kalia, is hoping that publicly naming and shaming Pakistan could help him achieve his aim of getting the barbaric acts of Pakistan army declared as war crimes. With the international focus now turning towards the issue, for Dr. Kalia, this could well be the first steps towards success after 14 long years of struggle. With video journalist Yash Chandigarh, Shamsher Kant for Times Now.